Before coming from 25th Infantry Battalion, I was assigned there for 7 years. And for after ng Bagyong Pablo, we had an encounter with the armed group, New People's Army in Barangay Tubo-Tubo. This was March. Two encounters within 7 days. And one of the encounters, one of the killed was a student, an 18-year-old student from PUP, Manila. So he was claimed by his mother, who was also a faculty of PUP. I could not recall the name right now, but we can dig that up again, itong information na ito. And for the question kanina, about how they were involved in the armed group, the student was really clutching a firearm, and we also recovered a document from him, his notebook. He has his own GPS device, a global positioning device, and his notebook, he has written there so many things about how he got into the revolution. So mostly the common denominator is they're part of the student group, no? So kasi medyo there has been an issue of red tagging these groups, yung League of Filipino Students in Anak Bayan, but it's only a common denominator, no? They're members of that group. And itong POP student who was killed, part of his notebook then, he wrote a very detailed handwriting very detailed instructions on how to make an explosive, an improvised explosive device. Pati yung how to construct a shape charge in order for the explosion to go to one direction using yung mathematical computations of the angles to make an explosion function in such a way, yung tinatawag na shape charge device. So, yun lang, in terms of the involvement, kung how they were involved in the art group, kung nandun lang ba talaga sila, conducting research, or were they really holding firearms and really involved in the hostilities, that could give us insights in incident and incident.
Okay, thank you, Captain.